Hey everyone, this is Mike at Aartech. We're going to be unboxing the new 8-channel IQ NVR from Univew. So here's what we get in the box. Open it up. Nice little protection going on there. We get an NVR. Let's put the box here. It's quite the big NVR, this one. It's 8-channel. Comes with all the bells and whistles. What else do we got here? We get a mouse. Your standard power cable. And then we get a little goodie package with all the little goodies. And we got with some alarm connectors, some screws, some feet, some more screws, and we got your power and SATA cables for your hard drive, and more power and SATA cables for another hard drive. So 2 hard drives can go in this one. And that's about it. That's all you get. It's a pretty simple package. And oh, you do get rack ears. You do get rack ears. We can't miss the rack ears. Rack ears. And that's about it. That's all you get in the box for the new 502-IQ.